What are we gonna do today?
Read Filipino words.
Okay, let's read Filipino words. Hold this microphone. Okay, number 1. What's that?
Halakahak.
Amo?
Halakahak. Kagilagilas. Kagilagilalas.
Amo, faster.
Kagilagilalas.
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 Okay, next. No, say it. Don't.
Alright.
Just say it. Once you see.
Kinakailangan.
Faster.
Kinakailangan.
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 Okay, next.
Mamasa-masa.